How's the most motivated family on YouTube doing today? I already know you guys are doing freaking great. We've got an awesome video today. I'm going to share with you guys exactly how you can just quickly get started in the stock market today with one of my favorite apps. I'm going to run through some of the pros and cons of that app and give you guys that link. I'm going to leave it in the description. You guys can get started today and just start freaking growing your money today. So let's get into it. One of the cons that this app has is only in the US. So if you're somewhere else in the world and in a different country, then I guess this doesn't apply to you, and I'm sorry about that. One of the other cons, wow, don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but the Dow just dropped 700 points. But basically, that's actually really good, especially if you're watching this video right now. I'm probably gonna upload it tomorrow, so the Dow just dropped 700 points today, which is a very good time to get in the stock market, so that's a plus for knowing exactly how to do this. Another one of the cons is that it's $250,000 secured, but it's not like whoever's watching this has time to watch my video. If you have $250,000 in the stock market, you're probably well on your way of understanding things and have your own broker and things of that nature. Another thing is the processing stage of getting your information into the app and like it approving you may take a couple days, and also transferring money. Like if you sell a stock, you have to wait a couple days before you can transfer that back into your bank account. It's a small amount of days, and but that's also a con of the app. Another con is you have to be 18 years or older, which isn't really a con. It just it's good to be mature in terms of investing your money and things of that nature. So it's actually a pro and a con, if you look at it that way. A pro is you could open the account with no money or anything like that. And something I want to share with you guys is if you use my link, me and you get a free stock. That's a disclosure, me and you can get a free stock. That's the great thing about the affiliation of RobinHood, that is. And that's why it's one of my favorite apps to use. So another thing about that is that it's completely free for buying and selling stocks. They offer their version of a marginal account where you would pay monthly and you'd be able to invest the same amount of cash that you had into your bank account. In the account itself. I don't advise doing that because that's just a waste of money, and it's actually extremely dangerous not extremely dangerous, but just can be very costly to be investing on margin. Just invest on money that you have, and that'll actually help you in the long run. I think somebody might tell me that I'm being too loud. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I record my videos in a public library, and I'm in a private room, but I still feel like people can hear me. Anyways, back to the hustle. Like I've already said, you get a free stock, which is pretty great, just by using my link. I'm gonna leave that's gonna be the first link in the description for you guys. Another great thing is if you link a bank account with it, you can set up reoccurring deposits, which most brokerages do, but it's just another plus of it. And plus it's a mobile app, so it's gonna always be on your phone. It's gonna always be there whenever you need it. You could check stocks, things of that nature. Another great thing is it shows you info and gives you news and things that are happening in the stock market that day pretty swiftly. With all that said and done though, as long as you are doing your research, investing, and you're not speculating or anything like that, being emotional, you should be good. And I advise doing this instead of leaving your money in a bank account. If you've got like $100, you've got any amount of money that you're just setting aside to save, it's losing value because of depreciation. The stock market has historically returned 8%, and I'm sure if you do your research, invest in a company that you understand, and you're not gonna sell just because the stock drops, because it probably will. You need to be unemotional. And I believe if you do that, this is actually a better option for you to just start gaining interest on your money now. Start growing your money now. That being said, all you gotta do is click that link in the description, follow step by step. All they wanna know is if you're actually a US citizen, basically, because by law they need to know all those things. So you're gonna need your social security card, your number, you're gonna need to know all that, and other basic information such as an address, your occupation. They want to see how much money you're going to be investing. And then once you get approved, you are going to get a free stock because you used my link that I'm going to leave in the description, and so will I. And then you'll be well on your way. You could even get an Apple stock, which is crazy that they're giving stuff away like that. But Totally free money. I know there's no such thing as free money, but this is actually free. But they make money from you having your money in their brokerage and you being a user of them. And also them advertising to you to get that gold and pay monthly on a margin. That's how they make money. All you gotta do is not use that, and then basically you're gonna get free trades. You're gonna get like pretty quick transfers back into your bank account and things like that. Like I've used TD Ameritrade and I've transferred all my funds straight to here. And if you're watching this and you already got a brokerage, RobinHood also offers this great thing where you could transfer all your funds, all your stocks, keep them, you don't have to sell them, transfer all of them to RobinHood. It's great. I did exactly that from TD Ameritrade, and it's been perfect ever since because everything is right on my phone. That's why I love RobinHood. But with that being said, guys, as always, keep grinding and keep growing.